What's up guys, Cheapies aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're doing another unboxing. I'm just getting lucky with sneakers right now. This is actually the first win on sneakers that I've actually done in a really long time. So I'm pretty happy about this one. This one's actually a pretty decent collab, but the hype has kind of died down off of it. The resale is not nearly where I thought it'd be, and I don't think people expected it to go down as far as it has, but it's a clean looking sneaker. I really like it, and I might keep it actually because the resale's not crazy. If it was where it previously was, I was debating on selling it because that's a lot of money to just be passing up. But I may keep it because the resale is pretty low, and honestly, I think it will go up over time. So it's nothing crazy. But before we get into the unboxing, I want to just remind you guys to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. I'm at 126 right now, so we destroyed the year goal of getting 100, which was really nice, and I was really happy about that. But I'm pushing really toward 1,000 this year, so hopefully we can hit that goal. And with the content that I hope will be coming out, I think we can easily do it as long as I stay consistent. It's really on me, but if you guys want to hit that subscribe button, I think like 95% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So hopefully that can get changed, and we can make it more like 70% of the people aren't subscribed. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like the video because that also helps me out too. So with that being said, let's just get right into the unboxing. So as you guys can tell, it's a Nike box just by the tape, because like I said, I also won on the sneakers raffle, so obviously you know it was a Nike box. But like I was saying, this collab actually just came out really recently. The previous sneaker that I know about in the collab has gone for insane prices. I don't know, I think the resale's at least at 3,000 right now, and these were, before they came out, was going for like over 1,000, and now I think the last time I checked it was maybe under 500. They retail for $200, so still like $300, but like compared to the $1,000, it's a lot crazier. So here they are. This is not your standard Jordan box. From what I know, I've never actually owned a pair of this exact Jordan model. Let me get this out first. So I've never owned a pair of this Jordan model, but it's pretty crazy. We got a blue and like a navy and then a blue box. I know there is the logo of the company right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's the Fragment logo, so that should tell you exactly what these are. But they are the Fragment Jordan 3s that just recently released. It comes in this Fragment paper, which nice touch. And then here, let me get these out and then I'll show you them a little bit closer. So here are the Fragment Jordan 3s. I actually think they're a really clean pair. They have just this white and black look with this nice little text on the midsole, which I think is actually a really cool touch. This has like a little bit like glue on it, so quality I guess isn't the most insane from what I've been hearing. Stitching is a little coming out there, so they're not like crazy hyped up, and obviously since they're not Jordan 1, they're not going for like crazy amounts of price, crazy amount of resale. But I do think they are a really clean pair. Just the white and black looks really good. I've never owned a pair of 3s, so just the 3s alone are new to me. But you got this Nike Air Jordan logo with the Fragment one behind it, which I actually think is a really cool touch. I know they're doing that on 3s, and then just a black and white outsole. So I think they're a really good looking pair. The leather, I feel like, at least on the black part of this shoe, is really nice from what I can tell, and then the tumbled white leather on the top is pretty cool, or is pretty good too. So I don't think quality is bad or anything. I just think people saw the Fragment name that was on it and thought the collab was going to be a lot more insane, and then once pairs started coming in, people started selling them for a lot less because they just want to make a quick buck. But they do have the Fragment logo right there embossed onto the black, which I actually think is a really nice touch, and it's just simple, especially the heel tab on it. I think it's probably one of the best parts about this shoe, just because you can get the Fragment logo. And I do, like I said earlier, I think these will go up in price because I think they're a clean looking sneaker, so I definitely think people will want them eventually, especially since they're Fragment, and the Fragment ones are going for over like $3,000. So I think eventually the price on these will go up. I just think a lot of people right now are trying to make like a quick buck on the sneakers, so they're not going for an insane amount of prices. But like I said, I think they're really good looking. I think they're really clean. I may actually keep these because I don't have an insane collab, I think, on any of my sneakers right now. So this would probably be like the craziest collab, probably the most valuable shoe I have in my collection. Speaking of collection, the collection will be coming soon. You guys probably saw in the intro, I still don't have sneakers on the wall, but they're all behind the camera and they will get put up eventually. But with that being said, let me show you guys some B-roll and show you the guys then a little closer. Here are the Jordan 3 Fragments. I actually think they're a good looking sneaker. Like I said, I think since the hype of the Fragment really had the value up super high, people expected a lot more out of them. But I do think they're super clean. I like just the black and white. It's really simple. I wish they would have a little bit more black accents along the shoes, but I heard from watching previous other videos, it is more just a simple thing with Fragment now, and that's the design they're going with. So I do understand where they're like going with it, and I do like the Fragment logo like on the sneaker, and then the text on it I think looks really cool, and that's something kind of like an off-white like you would see on there, but it's not nearly as crazy. But for a simple collab, I think they are good looking, and I do think they will go up in price. Do I think it's like a top 10 sneaker of the year? Not really. I think people expected more out of the Fragment, but really if you look at the Fragment ones, they're pretty simple too. They look like a Royal, but just different color blocking. So I don't know why everything was expected to be a lot better out of these. And I didn't show you guys also in at least the close-up. I'll show you guys in the B-roll. There is a Fragment ton, like on the ton it says Fragment on there, which is a good touch. I don't know why you'd ever like be looking there, but I do think they're, like I said, good looking, they're clean. And I just think it's a simple shoe, and especially for my collection, I think it's one of the more like hyped sneakers in my collection, because I don't really have any insane collabs because I usually sell them. I had the off-white Dunks, and I sold those because I don't really wear Dunks, and I don't have any threes, so those may be the first threes I ever own, and I don't mind the threes. I think in this colorway, I actually really like it a little bit more than other colorways, because it does get rid of some of the other things that I don't really care too much for threes. And since they are pretty simple, I think they look pretty good. So that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of these. You guys can tell me your thoughts on them. I know people aren't as happy with them as previously, but I think they're good, and I may keep them. So that's where I'm at with them. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.